What's up guys, you're watching Sid Gamings and today we are going to talk about the PS4 error E-A2000121. It's undergoing maintenance. This error you get when your system software is up to date or updating some system. So you just simply go and test the internet connection and check the server. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get this error under maintenance. And when you get the under maintenance, then you have the system server is down and you just wait simply for the system server. It will fix automatically. Sony will fix this automatically. If the server is working up and good, then you have a problem with your local network, and then you just forget the old one and try a sign up internet connection again, set up internet connection again, and change the primary DNS and the secondary DNS. Primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 1.1.1.1, and then connect the internet connection again and it will be fixed this error.